our favorite fresh juice stand at Sagbo Mercato, Cebu.
130, 155 na yan, ma'am. Bestseller natin, Calamansi Cucumber for season.
Saan dito yan, te? Saan yung 4
Ito,
season?
Calamansi Cucumber for season.
Anong lasa, te? Pag walang sugar?
Yan, bestseller namin yan, ma'am.
Calamansi, okay. Magkano, te?
130, 155, ma'am. Thank you.
Ito, magkano to?
Ito, 130, ito, 155.
Ano ba to?
For season.
Anong laman yan?
Mango, pineapple, watermelon, orange.
Ah, sige, kita ko.
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
No sugar.
Te, laki nga, te. O, te.
Share
Oh, sure na kami. Ito. Es mango. Ano nga to, te? Ano?
Mango, pineapple, watermelon, orange.
Ay, okay. Next time we'll try this one. Ano lang, te? Anong sugar? Ha? No, what monster?
What size you getting?
Guys, nandito tayo sa store ni Tropic.
Mango, pineapple.
Tropic Fruit Bar. Ayan.
Monster juicer.
So you got a monster, kid?
Ah, okay. Siguro konting sugar lang, te.
One four seasons.
Natikman na namin yung Four Seasons. And ngayon, order namin yung... Ate, ano to, te? Celery turmeric?
Calamansi cucumber yan.
Calamansi cucumber daw siya. That's 130 pesos. 130 pesos lang siya. Kanina, in-order natin is yung Four Seasons, which is 155. Ayan. Akin niya. Good for two na.
Mango, banana, sir.
Magkasama kayo ng jowa mo. Ayan siya. Dito lang siya sa Subo Mercado. Visit nyo guys kung mga health conscious kayo. Kung gusto nyo less sugar or no sugar at all. Yung sa amin kanina, less sugar lang. Ayun. Yung pailasa nito, te, kasi wala masyadong fruits. Thank you. Naku, ay, sorry. Ayun, ito na siya. Padalawa na tayo. David. The less sugar. Less sugar. But this sugar a little bit. But maybe it's not tasty because the other one was It's okay? I said 50%. I hope you put 50%. How was it? Good? Guys, we're in the stage of Subo Mercado. Ayan na. Oh my
Because then you
God.
said 50.
Part 2. Yung sarap daw, kuya, masarap. Half lang.
Half-
Thank you.
Follow for more food trip videos. Thanks for watching.